We must come together. It's about the country. Mr. Speaker, and I miss Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, that whenever, even despite that he was an opposition leader, when the issues of international concern came, Mr. Speaker, sir, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga would show up and be part of the conversation about the country, Kenya. It is tragic that the current crop of opposition leaders, led by the impeached Deputy President, Mr. Speaker, yesterday tried to demean the international conference, to reduce it to village matters, Mr. Speaker. And for us who understand him, you know, his thinking cannot go beyond village mentality. And that is why he thinks around Wamunyoro only. He's suffering from what we call villagitis syndrome, Mr. Speaker. Because yesterday, he demeaned the status of Kenya, discussing about issues when United Nations Secretary General Guterres is in the country. We are discussing about the stability of Horn of Africa. We are discussing about trade, Mr. Speaker. But this limitation of village mentality, Mr. Speaker, has made him to think that everything revolves around his village somewhere in Wamunyoro. In fact, not internet. I don't know whether he knows where Garissa is, Mr. Speaker, or any other part of this, but they must be called out, Mr. Speaker. I was even surprised that he didn't even attend a side event of even addressing, Mr. Speaker, the embassy staff, let alone a diplomat. He could not meet even an embassy staff, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, he should have even met an embassy staff, even on the sideline, Mr. Speaker.